On 5 News.
And taking a look outside at all of our local weather cams, snow everywhere across the area, whether it's just a little or a lot. Pretty much everyone in West Virginia saw a countable amount of snow, some more than others. And meteorologist Kayla Smith, this was a complicated storm to forecast, and we were talking about it last night because it had that rain, it had that cold, it had that break period, it had a warm period. There was a lot that went into this storm.
Exactly, and that is the difficulty that goes into forecasting winter storms, because just even slight changes in temperatures at any point in the atmosphere can greatly change what you end up seeing at the surface. So we did end up seeing a lot of snow as we got towards the overnight hours. That's when we saw the bulk of that snow falling, and we do still see some snow showers coming down, but we're not going to see much more in terms of accumulation. Satellite radar is showing that we are still seeing a little bit of that snow moving through, but it is lighter and it is on its way out. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see we are on the tail end of this system that is now pushed all the way up into New England and is starting to push its way into Canada. So we are on the back end of that, and we're just going to be seeing some light snow showers for the next couple of hours, and then possibly into Tuesday morning for the higher elevation. So here are some snowfall reports. I do want to mention that Davis, Bridgeport, and Morgantown, those totals were recorded around 8 a.m. this morning, and we have seen some snow on top of that as well. So when the National Weather Service gets their snowfall totals, they're really coming from people like the citizens, so it depends on when people put their totals in, and that is when those three came in. Whereas Fairmont, Weston, and Buckhannon, those 7 inches were recorded around 2 o'clock this afternoon, so those are a little more updated and a little bit more close to what we did see around the area. We are still under a winter storm warning for many of the eastern portion of our viewing area until 10 p.m. tonight, and that's largely due to the gusty winds that we're going to continue to be seeing. Take a look at the current temperatures right now. Many of us in the mid to upper 20s, Davis down to 19 degrees, but we're feeling much cooler than this. Many of us feeling like we are in the teens right now. Davis feeling like a chilly 4 degrees. So that is all due to the wind gusts that we have had today. And take a look at what they're looking like right now. Gusting as high as about 30 miles per hour in the lowlands. As we get towards the mountains, we're seeing those gusts as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour. Those are going to continue throughout the night, and we could see that here. Starting this at 8 o'clock tonight, we're going to see those continuing as we get towards Tuesday morning. Start to die down in the lowlands, a little bit higher still in the mountains, but then as we get towards Tuesday evening, those gusts die back down, and we will be at a more calm level for those winds. Taking a look at the futurecast, we're still going to be seeing those snow showers towards the mountains for the next couple of hours and into Tuesday morning. That is when we'll start to see those fizzling out. This is Tuesday at 6 a.m. and we'll just be left with clouds for the most part. Then we see those clouds start to decrease as we get towards Tuesday afternoon, and Tuesday night we start to clear up. Then we will see that those clouds start to move back in ahead of these showers that we are expecting to see later on Wednesday. Over the course of the next 3 hours, not going to be seeing much more in terms of snowfall, maybe about an inch in those higher elevations. And here is your 7-day forecast. Going to be a very chilly week. Only going to be seeing the 40s on Wednesday, and that's when we're going to be seeing that rain. And thankfully it will be warm, so we won't be seeing more snow on top of what we have now. And temperature is going to be feeling like the single digits Friday and Saturday morning.